Hello guys, and I'm doing a Lego
challenge
video.
From this could carry a car. So we're just gonna make like
A helicopter.
helicopter.
Okay, so first
You
make these things out.
You can make a boat or an airplane.
Yeah, but we're doing a helicopter right now, so let's get to building. We have now made the helicopter.
And comment down below if you like this one. And we got little leftover pieces that you can see.
And now, say bye, helicopter.
Bye. Gabby doesn't have any comments. Make a comment, okay?
And see if this one's cool.
Yeah, it could kill your truck, anything.
Comment down below if it's cool. Bye.
Bye. Push the up button.